Today I'm going to explore a few of Vancouver beaches in the part of the city called Kitsilano. You can see people jogging here. So the whole city is trying to get healthy. Many people. You don't see it in other big North American cities as much as in Vancouver. Here is the crow, Kitsilano crow. Hi crow. That's the beach. In the background you can see West Vancouver. The house is on the hill. This is the Pacific Ocean. You see many cargo ships. There's a pier as well. I will try to get there. So this beach is very popular, especially in summer. And in summer it's very crowded here. And look, the water looks really clear. And you have some mussels. You have some shells here. And in the direction I'm pointing my camera at, there is downtown Vancouver. I'll walk on the beach to see if I can find something interesting here. Look, lots of shells. And during the high tide the water is up to here, up to this line. This beach is very well maintained. This building we see here, that's the boathouse. I can hear crows here. Since there are not many people these days here in winter, this is their kingdom now. Besides crows, I can also see seagulls. So this one is a little bit shy. Let's see if I can get close to it. No, the seagull is leaving. It doesn't trust me. It was raining this morning, so I'm really glad that I don't need to carry umbrella now. So it stopped raining. Somebody tried to build something here. Dig the hole. People come here with their dogs. There are lots of footprints of the dogs. It's absolutely a quiet part of the city. So nice, relaxing atmosphere. Another seagull. It's a quiet residential neighborhood. In the background you can see houses, and even further away residential skyscraper. I believe that's the one which is called Vancouver House. There's a little dog here. And this wooded area in the background here, that's Stanley Park. Nice boats. So it started to be sunny a few minutes ago. You should not lose any minute to come here and enjoy the time, because you can be 100% sure that in an hour or two it will rain again. That's Vancouver. That's another view of the Kitsilano Beach. Beautiful big tree. And I'm gonna walk on this road for a few meters. Beautiful trees without leaves. And that's another view of Kitsilano Beach. It's a driftwood which city collected from the beach to make access to it easier for people. Again we can see Stanley Park is that wooded area, as well as part of West Vancouver. So that's all collected driftwood. It may even be enough to build a house. But I don't really think that you can come here and take the wood yourself and use it. And that's the old trunk of a cedar tree and part of the root system. Here I can see the shore becoming a little bit more dramatic with the stones. Lots of mussels here, shells, empty shells. The ships again. The high rises and low rises there, that's English Bay. So this part of the city is called English Bay. We have low tide at this hour. Beautiful scenic beach at the time of the low tide. It would be nice to be in that small boat. Have a look at this. Beautiful big stones. Majestic big stones. This is the part which is closer to downtown Vancouver. Let's go back. I'll explore the other part of Kitsilano Beach. Another geese. They are too lazy to fly south, so they are staying in the city even in winter months. They are like vacuum cleaners. And now I'm going back to the point where I started. This is the tree with a thick layer of moss, which I call schnitzel tree. Beautiful bright green color. People who live here, they can consider themselves very lucky. They have very good work and life balance. Another tree on the beach. This is the boathouse building I mentioned before. And look at these beautiful palm trees. This is called Boathouse Beach Grill. Boathouse. And that's an interesting tree. Have a look at this. Kitsilano Beach, and this must be a pool. Okay, let's go back and continue exploring another part of Kitsilano Beach. And here is another evergreen tree. Interesting. Tree in the middle. I'm wondering what's inside. Another beautiful tree. Wide, quiet spot, old tree and a bench. And that's the other part of Kitsilano Beach. I thought I would be able to get to that wooden platform there, but I don't think there is there's an access for public. And here's the bench I mentioned before. So let's see what view can we get from here. And I think these people probably look for the oysters. Now I am approaching Jericho Beach. Another beach in Kitsilano. It's much more quiet than Kitsilano Beach. Kitsilano Beach is closer to downtown, so understandably Jericho Beach is less crowded, and that's the area which is closer to University of British Columbia, UBC. And look at this color of the water. I'm getting closer to the pier on Jericho Beach. This pier is closed, most probably because of the state of the maintenance. Oh, no wonder. It looks like it's really requires maintenance. And there's a kayaker in the water. So Jericho Pier, extreme weather damage. It looks like the storm damaged the pier. Look. Hello.
It's a shame, eh?
Yeah. Too bad, but it looks like it's really doesn't look safe.
No, every time we come it's worse.
Oh yeah. There is somebody there, so I guess
Yeah,
it is possible to get there, but
I walked across this last time we were here, and it's safe, sort of.
Not really.
I'll see, maybe I'll try. So that's the pier, which was damaged by the storm. Look, I can smell the old wood here. Okay, let me get to these people I talked to. They said that they were able to get there, but every time they come here, the damage is worse. Looks like it's, look, that's the underneath the pier. Look here. Look here. Wow. Look at this seagull sitting on the pier. Seagull doesn't care. Seagull can fly. Oh, you cannot even walk on the pier. Look how damaged it is. Oh, I'll try to walk on these stones. We'll try to get as close as as possible to the pier, to the other side. Oh, look. Look, that's what it is. I have a feeling that these stones are underwater during the high tide. During high tide, yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it is, because it's so slippery. Okay, here. Okay. Oh. Not safe at all. Very slippery. Look. Okay, I'm not gonna continue. This seems like really dangerous here. Okay, let's go back. Fantastic, I'm back. I'm walking on Jericho Beach now. It is a few kilometers long, I can tell. So I will walk a few meters and then I will get back to my car and we'll continue. Look, the other side of Burrard Inlet is sunny there. These are the waves on Jericho Beach today. You cannot see it very often this time of the year. Well, some people like to swim in January, as you can see. And a building on Jericho Beach. Not sure what it is. And on the other side of Jericho Beach there's a nice residential area. Look at this beautiful quiet neighborhood with houses. Here I am approaching the tip of this peninsula. From here there is a nice view on Stanley Park from the other side and downtown Vancouver. And that's the second part of the beach. Have a look at this. Beautiful view. This part of the beach has a shape of a horseshoe. The beach continues, and that's another building, some kind of facility. And this part of the beach is called Spanish Banks. Beautiful part. An amazing big tree. And that's the part of the Jericho Beach. Look at this seagull resting there. On my way to another beach, I stopped at Pacific Spirit Regional Park. Let's have a look. And it's another beautiful beach or park in Kitsilano. Nice stairs here. They make it easy to get to the park. Two people there. That's another nice beach in Kitsilano, western part of Kitsilano. If I continue on this trail, let's see what is there. I'm kind of curious. Acadia Beach. Tree trunks of cedar trees. And that's the other view of the beach. Another part of Acadia Park. And beautiful moss on this old tree. Finally I got to Wreck Beach. So this is last beach I want to explore today. And beautiful cedar trees on the way to Wreck Beach. Hollow tree. Another hollow tree. And the bench if you are tired. Look. Wow, it looks like this part of the tree was destroyed by fire. I'll see if I can find some wrecks on Wreck Beach. Oh, so many stairs to get to the Wreck Beach. That's the Wreck Beach, beautiful Wreck Beach, and far in the background there's Richmond and YVR Airport, so Vancouver Airport. Tree trunks everywhere. This beach has a feel of a secluded beach, even though it's not that secluded. It's close to University of British Columbia, UBC. So most people walking here are students of the university. But what a nice place. You take courses and then during your break or once you are done you can enjoy the beach. Especially in summer. Look at these old cedar tree trunks. Here is some old kayak, or maybe not old, maybe somebody left it here and went for swimming. Wreck Beach is much wider than other Kitsilano beaches. The air is fresh but not too cold. Beautiful quiet corner. With birds resting here. Most of them seagulls. They survive everywhere. Have a look at this natural Wreck Beach. lots of wood in the water. Lots of woods in the water. It seems like the wood is stored here. And this land looks like a marshland. And I'm trying to get to the point of return, not the point of no return, point of return, because I will turn around and will start walking back. Have a look at this art of the nature. Okay, so there's the sandy parts ends here, and if I wanted to continue I would have to step on these stones here, which I'm not gonna do, so I'm gonna go back now. In the back there is something like a little lighthouse. Okay, let's go back then. I see two people in the back, as well as a kayaker and a ferry. Lots of things going on in this instance. And have a look at this beautiful scenery. Looks like sandy and rocky hill. This is the end of Jericho Beach, and I'm also going to end this video about beautiful beaches in Vancouver.